5 reasons your legs are getting weaker. After 60, do this before it's too late. Are your legs feeling weaker, more tired, or shakier than they used to be? Finding it hard to climb stairs or stand for long periods? Here's the shocking truth. Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging. They're a warning sign that your body is losing strength, circulation, or even essential nutrients. And if you ignore it, things can get much worse, leading to dangerous falls, loss of independence, and even life-threatening complications. But don't worry. Once you understand the hidden causes behind leg weakness, you can take simple steps to rebuild your strength and move with confidence again. Let us uncover the 5 biggest reasons your legs are getting weaker and how to fix them before it's too late. The information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Reason number 5. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. As we get older, our muscles naturally start to shrink, a condition known as sarcopenia. This process can begin as early as our 30s, but after 60, it accelerates quickly. If you're not doing anything to counteract it, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s. This loss of muscle weakens your legs, making everyday activities like standing up from a chair, walking long distances, or climbing stairs feel much more difficult. Signs of muscle loss include thinner thighs and calves, a feeling of heaviness in the legs, and fatigue after only a short walk. The good news is, you can slow or even reverse sarcopenia by adding simple strength exercises into your daily routine. Chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band exercises can rebuild lost muscle. Protein is also essential. Aim for lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, nuts, and legumes to fuel muscle repair. And don't forget movement. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of walking daily can help keep your leg muscles engaged and strong. Number 4. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease. Ever feel like your legs are cold, numb, or cramp up when you walk? This could be a sign of poor circulation, often caused by plaque buildup in the arteries, a condition known as peripheral artery disease, or PAD. When your legs don't receive enough blood, they become weak, tired, and prone to cramping. In severe cases, this can even lead to slow healing wounds or infections. If your legs feel heavy or tingly after standing for a while, or if you experience calf pain that improves when you sit down, your circulation may be compromised. To boost blood flow, try daily walking, even if it's just around the house. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Drink plenty of water and reduce salt intake to prevent swelling. Warm foot soaks, massages, and elevating your legs can help too. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Untreated PAD can increase your risk of heart disease and strokes. Number 3. Nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Do your legs or feet feel tingly, numb, or like they're burning? Does it feel like you're walking on a sponge? These could be symptoms of nerve damage or peripheral neuropathy, which affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors, especially those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. High blood sugar damages nerves over time, while low levels of vitamin B12, essential for nerve health, can also lead to leg weakness. The longer neuropathy goes untreated, the worse it gets, leading to balance issues and even falls. To protect your nerves, monitor your blood sugar levels. Eat a B12-rich diet including eggs, dairy, and leafy greens, and avoid excessive alcohol, which can worsen nerve damage. Gentle leg and foot massages can also help improve nerve function and reduce discomfort. If you notice ongoing numbness, don't ignore it. Speak to your doctor for proper testing and treatment. Number 2. Spinal problems, sciatica, and herniated discs. You might not realize it, but your lower back plays a huge role in leg strength. If you have a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or even long-term poor posture, it can pinch the nerves in your spine, causing weakness, pain, or sudden collapses in your legs. Symptoms of spinal-related leg weakness include pain that radiates from your lower back down one or both legs, numbness in your feet, or feeling like one leg is weaker than the other. If this sounds familiar, try gentle back stretches such as the knee to chest stretch or seated spinal twists. Avoid sitting for long periods. It puts pressure on your lower back. If you must sit for extended periods, use a lumbar support cushion and make sure to get up and move every 30 minutes. Keeping your spine healthy is key to keeping your legs strong. Reason number 1: electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Ever had a sudden leg cramp in the middle of the night? Do your legs feel shaky or weak out of nowhere? This could be due to a lack of key minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for proper muscle function. Low potassium can cause muscle spasms, weakness, and irregular heartbeats, while a lack of magnesium can lead to twitching, fatigue, and even anxiety. This often happens due to dehydration, certain medications like diuretics, or simply not eating enough mineral-rich foods. To restore balance, increase your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados. For magnesium, try almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, and beans. Also, make sure to drink plenty of water. Dehydration can make these deficiencies worse. If you frequently suffer from leg cramps, try a warm Epsom salt bath before bed. The magnesium in the salts absorbs through your skin, relaxing your muscles and preventing cramps. Take action today. Weak legs aren't just an inconvenience, they're a warning sign that your body needs attention. Whether it's muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or an electrolyte imbalance, there are simple natural solutions to help you regain strength. Start today. Exercise daily, even 5 minutes makes a difference. Eat more protein and nutrient-rich foods to rebuild muscle. Drink more water and balance your minerals to prevent weakness. Check your posture and spinal health to avoid nerve issues. Walk every day to improve circulation and prevent leg fatigue. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs stronger, healthier legs. Let us know in the comments which of these reasons surprised you the most.